Have you ever wondered why so many people make the same mistake year after year and plant the wrong trees in their gardens? We're all chasing quick results. We buy the first sapling we see, hoping to harvest baskets of fruit by next summer. But a few years later, that tree becomes demanding, starts getting sick, and eventually declines after only 10 or 15 years. The truth is, there are trees that can live for centuries. They don't just survive, they continue producing abundant harvests for decades, sometimes even for hundreds of years. These are the trees that become the heart of a family property and are passed down from one generation to the next. Today, I'll show you 11 incredible fruit and nut trees that can provide food, vitamins, and shade for your children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren. We'll also look at which trees are truly worth planting and which ones are often overrated. And be sure to stay until the very end because the last tree on this list surprises almost everyone, let's be honest. How do most people choose a tree for their backyard? Usually because it looks beautiful in a catalog or because a neighbor says, "Mine grows just fine." That's the biggest mistake. Most people think about the next few years, but a tree is an investment measured in decades, not seasons. A single well-chosen tree gives you free fruit every year. Once established, it requires very little maintenance. It provides cooling shade during hot summers, improves the soil with its roots, protects your yard from strong winds, and becomes a living legacy that future generations will enjoy. Now let's begin our countdown. Number 11. Silver Buffalo Berry. Silver buffalo berry is one of the most underrated fruit trees you can plant. It usually lives between 50 and 70 years and starts producing fruit only 3 or 4 years after planting. This tree is incredibly hardy. It survives freezing temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius and grows even in poor sandy soils where many other fruit trees struggle. Its berries contain exceptionally high amounts of vitamin C, often even more than sea buckthorn, but with a much sweeter flavor and without the strong medicinal taste. An interesting fact is that Native American tribes used these berries not only as food but also as a natural preservative for meat. Number 10. European Plum. The plum tree is a classic that deserves a place in almost every garden. It usually lives between 30 and 50 years and begins producing fruit after only 3 to 5 years. One mature tree can easily produce 50 to 70 kilograms of juicy fruit every season. Fresh, dried, preserved, or turned into jam plums are incredibly versatile. They grow best in sunny locations with moist but well-drained soil and perform wonderfully in temperate climates. Interestingly, the domestic plum has no true wild ancestor. Scientists believe it developed naturally thousands of years ago from a cross between cherry plum and blackthorn. Number 9. Large-fruited cherry plum. Many people mistake cherry plum for an ordinary plum, but it's actually much tougher. These trees live around 45 to 60 years and sometimes begin producing fruit as early as their second year. Cherry plums are naturally resistant to many diseases, tolerate short periods of drought, and produce heavy crops year after year. Because of their strong root systems, they are often used as rootstock for peaches and apricots, making those trees stronger and more resilient. Number 8. Mulberry. Now we enter the category of true long-lived trees. Mulberry trees can live anywhere from 100 to 200 years while producing delicious sweet berries. They usually begin fruiting after 4 or 5 years and require surprisingly little maintenance. Mulberries tolerate intense heat, drought, and even urban pollution, making them one of the easiest fruit trees to grow. For more than 3,000 years, China has cultivated mulberry trees because their leaves are the only food silkworms can eat, making silk production possible. But the remaining trees on this list can live even longer. Number 7. Cornelian Cherry. Cornelian cherry is one of the toughest fruit trees in the world. It commonly lives between 150 and 250 years. Although you'll wait about 5 to 7 years for your first harvest, the reward is worth every year of patience. This tree handles drought exceptionally well, rarely suffers from diseases, and grows successfully in many different soil types. Its bright red berries are rich in vitamins and have long been valued for their health benefits. Whether you're an experienced gardener or planting your very first tree, Cornelian cherry is an excellent choice. Number 6. Pear tree. Many people don't realize that a pear tree can easily live for more than 100 years. Under ideal conditions, it often survives for 120 to 150 years. It begins producing fruit after 5 to 8 years. Pear trees prefer warmth and sunlight, but mature trees develop deep root systems that make them highly drought-resistant. A healthy mature pear tree can produce up to 150 kilograms of fruit every season while also creating beautiful cooling shade. Number 5. Hazelnut. Although most people think of hazelnut as a shrub, it can also be grown as a small tree. With proper care, it may live for 100 to 150 years. It starts producing nuts after 4 or 5 years and tolerates harsh winters with ease. Hazelnuts grow well in almost every soil except waterlogged or extremely sandy ground and naturally resist many pests and diseases. If you're planning a family orchard, this tree deserves serious consideration. Number 4. Apricot. Apricot trees can live between 80 and 120 years. Most varieties begin producing fruit after only 3 to 5 years. Modern cultivars are much more cold-hardy than many people realize, allowing them to grow successfully even in regions with cold winters. Apricots love sunny locations protected from strong winds and reward gardeners with both delicious fruit and breathtaking spring blossoms. Now we've reached the 3 true legends. These are the trees people intentionally planted centuries ago, knowing they would benefit generations yet to come. Number 3. Sweet chestnut. Don't confuse this tree with the horse chestnut you see growing in city parks. Sweet chestnut produces large, edible nuts and commonly lives between 500 and 1,000 years. Some famous specimens around the world are estimated to be more than 3,000 years old. Although chestnut trees usually begin producing nuts after 15 to 20 years, they continue rewarding generations with nutritious harvests and valuable timber. For centuries, chestnuts served as an important staple food in many parts of Europe. Number 2. Walnut. Walnut is truly the king of the family garden. It commonly lives between 300 and 500 years and begins producing nuts after 6 to 10 years. A mature walnut tree can yield as much as 300 kilograms of nuts every year. Its broad canopy creates wonderful shade during summer, while natural compounds released by its leaves help discourage mosquitoes and flies. A walnut tree isn't just planted for yourself, it's planted for generations that follow. Number 1. Olive tree. And finally, we arrive at the most extraordinary tree on our list. An olive tree can continue living and producing fruit for 1,000, 2,000, or even more years. It usually begins producing olives after 5 to 8 years, but often reaches peak productivity only after several decades. Olives have become one of the world's most valuable crops, providing both nutritious fruit and premium olive oil. Although olive trees require warm climates with mild winters, very few living organisms symbolize endurance, resilience, and longevity as powerfully as the olive tree. Just imagine planting a tree this year that your great-grandchildren and even their children will still harvest centuries from now. Of course, even the strongest tree can fail if planted incorrectly. Always choose the right location, leaving enough space for future growth. Buy healthy saplings from trusted nurseries, water them deeply during their first few years, and remember that some species require another compatible variety nearby for proper pollination. Finally, don't rush to plant every tree you've seen today. Start with 2 or 3 species that match your local climate and the size of your property. Combine early, mid-season, and late-fruiting trees so you'll enjoy fresh harvest throughout the growing season. A diverse orchard is always healthier, more resilient, and more productive than one filled with only a single type of tree. Planting a tree is one of the greatest gifts you can leave behind. Long after we're gone, these trees can continue feeding families, providing shade, and reminding future generations that someone planted them with love and foresight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which of these incredible long-living trees you'd love to plant in your own garden. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.